Hi, this is Litre from Toyota Parts Plus. Today we have a 2008 Toyota Aurion, stock number 6044. This ran from the 10th 2006 to the 8th 2017. There's a 2GREV 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a 2GREV 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Left front 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Left front door no dents. Left front mirror. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front guard has one scratch. Right front 16-inch factory alloy maggot tyre. Right front mirror, some paint peel. Right front door no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Centre console lid with some leather peel, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel with some wear, instrument cluster.